Hey folks, welcome to my channel. There we have the problem on our screen. Hey folks, welcome to my channel number pen. There we have the problem on our screen. Differentiate the following: y equals cos of a cube plus x cube, right? So we have a function cos and we have a polynomial which is a cube plus x cube, which is inside the cos, right? So can we reduce y to a basic function whose derivative we are familiar with from first principles, right? So can we do that by substitution? The answer is yes, because we have a cube plus x cube inside our cos, and when I make the substitution u equals a cube plus x cube, I can reduce my y in terms of u to a very basic function called cos u, whose derivative we are quite familiar with, right? So what does my y become? My y becomes cos u. I've been asked to find dy by dx. So let us evaluate dy by du first. Right, my dy by du is nothing but minus of sine u. And then I have my u equals a cube plus x cube, which means my du by dx can be established by doing a simple application of the sum rule. So d by dx of a cube is 0 plus d by dx of x cube is nothing but 3x square, right? And that comes from the formula d by dx of x to the power n equals n times x to the power n minus 1, right? So I have my 3x square here. So let me highlight this in yellow. That's my du by dx is nothing but 3x square. And then I have my dy by du is nothing but minus sine of u, which I'll put it in green. And then I do an application of my chain rule, which is my dy by dx is nothing but dy by du into du by dx, right? So let me write that out first. Dy by du, which is drawing a parallel to what I have pasted in picture format on the screen as chain rule, is nothing but my f dash of g of x. And my g of x is nothing but u, and g dash of x is nothing but du by dx, right? Because my u equals g of x. And so what is that? Into du by dx, right? And there I have my answer, minus of sine u into 3x square. So let me put it across this side, minus 3 times square. Now I have my answer in terms of u and x, right? So I got to express everything in terms of x. So I go back and put back my u in terms of x, because that's the original substitution that I did. Sine times, what is my u? My u is nothing but a cube plus x cube. So my final answer to this problem is minus 3 times x square into a cube plus, I'm sorry, minus 3 times x square into sine of a cube plus x cube, right? So that's the final answer to the problem. I hope you found this content useful. Please do subscribe to my channel and support. Thank you.